Hey everyone, if you're tired of drowning in busy work and spending hours setting up complicated automations that barely keep up with your business, stick around because today I'm going to show you how to automate smarter, not harder, with Mazaal AI. Mazaal AI is a next-gen workflow platform that lets you build custom AI agents to automate all those repetitive tasks without needing to code, configure endless triggers, or start from scratch every time something changes. It's built for consultants, e-commerce pros, marketing agencies, basically anyone who wants to work smarter and free up their time for real, impactful work. Key features. First up, meet your new best friend, the Mazaal Copilot. All you have to do is describe the workflow you want, and Copilot generates it for you. No technical setup, no endless tinkering. Just tell it what you need, and boom, it's done. Next, you can train custom AI agents to actually learn your business. Upload documents, share website links, add text, and your agent will be able to answer questions, handle tasks, and even match your brand's tone and style. It's like hiring a new team member without the onboarding headaches. And because Mazaal knows that not every decision should be automated, you can easily add approval steps. Whether it's budget approvals, sensitive client info, or product changes, your team stays in control with just a few clicks. Oh, and sharing your workflows, it's literally one click. Plus, you can integrate with over 240 plus tools, from Slack and Shopify to Salesforce and HubSpot. If you're ready to finally automate without the headaches and give your team an AI-powered boost, Mazaal AI is the way to go. Streamline your business, save hours every week, and actually focus on what matters most. Grab your lifetime access to Mazaal AI today. Links in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more time-saving tools and tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.